Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. Y'all, allergy season. Your girl is back and y'all see what I'm here for. No, y'all never voted for it. And yes, it was up there twice. Nobody voted for this. Well, I mean, it was voted for, but it wasn't most voted. But y'all, I'm going to drink it today. Why? Because I was so pressed to try it. I told y'all this. I wanted to try this over any other soda that it went up against. But for some reason, y'all must know something that I don't know about this soda. But we're going to see if it's good or not, okay? Y'all, we're going to get right into it. We ain't going to waste no time, okay? Let's open it up. Okay. Just a little pop. That was it. Just a pop. That's it. Nothing else. No, just a pop. Okay. So I'm thinking just by the pop, it's weak. But we gonna see. Smells good. It smells like blue raspberry Kool-Aid. Cheers. Those of you that know. Okay. 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 Let me let me take another sip, y'all. And then we're gonna get into it. Okay? And I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it. But before I say it, y'all, I'm trying to look for the date, because y'all know how I be feeling. I don't see no date, y'all. That's scary, because I don't see no date. All right, y'all, let me try it again. Okay. Oh. Okay, hold on, wait, the date is up on the cat. Oh, excuse me, I feel like that echoed. Oh my gosh, y'all. I felt like that was an echo. I don't know if my ears just rung afterwards, but it felt like there was an echo behind that. Okay, let me try it again. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to try it one more time, and then I'm going to tell y'all how I feel about it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that felt good. All right, y'all. Let's wrap this up, okay? Let me tell y'all how I feel about it. I see why I wasn't voted, because it's really not good. Okay? Wow. It's really not good. That's number one. Number two, I wish it tastes like how it smells. It smells like I said, the blue raspberry Kool-Aid. But y'all, don't taste like that at all. It got me burping. I think I'm burping because of the lemonade. Because normally lemonade just makes me burp anyways. Lemonade, y'all, I'm just burping anyways. But yeah, I just want it to taste better, and it don't. I taste the, y'all know how when you have that artificial lemonade taste, where it tastes almost like that sugar-free taste almost. I really can't even explain it, but it has a dirty lemonade taste that comes behind it, y'all. Oh, excuse me, where it's like lemonade and like Cheeto feet mixed together. And see, it could just be me because it could just be me because I don't like lemonade. So let me say that, y'all. So it could just be me because I'm not a lemonade girly. I don't like lemonade. I'm always going to opt for tea. If there is tea, I'm always going to want that tea. I'm not going to want that lemonade at all. So it has like that dirty lemonade taste to me that I really don't like. But y'all, I'm going to let my mom try it because she's a bona fide lemonade drinker. And y'all, I'm going to pause this real quick. I'm going to let her try it. And then I'm going to let y'all know how she feel about it. Or I'm going to see if she want to talk in the background to y'all and let y'all know how she feel about it. Because she is a bona fide lemonade drinker. And I could just be biased. So I'm going to let her try it. And then I'm going to come back to y'all. Give me a second. Alright, y'all. I poured my mom some. I got her trying it now. And y'all, I'm just going to narrate and let y'all know what she says. If y'all can't hear her. Huh?
It's not real lemonade.
Okay. Y'all, she said it's not real lemonade. So it does taste artificial. It tastes like, oh, I know what it tastes like powder lemonade.
Yes.
Yes, it tastes just like powder lemonade. Y'all, give me a second. I think I got some of that little fake powder lemonade that you make. I know exactly what it tastes like. Hold on. All right, y'all, your girl is back. This is exactly what it tastes like, y'all. This right here, this little lemonade powder drink, this is exactly what it tastes like, y'all. It tastes so fake. Ugh, because this stinks to me, y'all. And I'm so glad that I had this. Y'all, I'm about to throw this away after this video, but I'm so glad that I had this because I wanted y'all to know exactly what it tastes like. But it tastes like this fake little powder lemonade, y'all. The girl don't like it, okay? I'm about to go get my feet done, y'all. I don't mean to cut this video short, y'all, but this is all I can give y'all. I cannot drink the rest of the soda because it is disgusting. But I'm about to go get my feet done. I might record a little bit of that and insert it inside here, y'all. I don't know yet, but if I don't, y'all, bye.